This video will walk through how to connect your email, send messages right from within Travefy, and how to keep everything organized all in one place. To get started, select your name up at the top right, and from here, select your account option. Next, select linked accounts on the left-hand side, and up at the top, you'll see an email tab. When you select the email tab, you'll see a drop-down list of all of these different types of accounts you can decide to connect to Travefy. Select the specific account that you would like to connect and just grant permissions. This allows Travefy to securely connect your inbox so your communication stays seamless and professional. Once connected, you'll see your email address listed and you're all ready to go. If you need to switch your accounts later on, just return right back to this page and select Disconnect. From here, you can reconnect a new email anytime you would like. You can also see which email address your clients see. In your email settings, go ahead and make sure it's selected as your email address rather than Travefy. That way, whenever you are sending forms, itinerary invites, or other kinds of client communication, everything is always sent from you, helping you stay consistent and on brand. Speaking of staying on brand, don't forget to add your email signature below. That way, every piece of communication is professional. To take it a step further, check that checkbox down below to include your email signature on system and automated emails. When you're ready to send an email off, go ahead and select your Contacts tab up at the top. Open a contact that you would like to email, and from their profile, select the email option. You'll see all of the emails that have been sent between you and your traveler's email address. When you're ready to send a new message, select the Compose button, and from here, enter in your subject, as well as your message. Don't forget, at the bottom, Travefy's email editor includes rich text formatting so you can bold, italicize, and customize the message to match your style. When you're ready, go ahead and select Send, or if you want to send it later on, just save it as a draft. As you can see, every email that you have sent is saved right within your traveler's contact profile, so you can always have the full conversation history at your fingertips. You can also view all sent emails in your inbox, so no more digging through multiple tools to find what you've already sent. In addition to sending off single emails, you can also send emails up to 25 travelers all at once. To do so, just select all of the travelers that you would like to send your message to. Select the three dots right next to Filters, and select the Email Contacts option. You can choose whether or not you want to CC yourself, as well as your message. Just like before, feel free to edit this as much as you would like before you send the email off. But that's it. Keeping communication open and organized not only saves you time, but also shows how professional you are to your travelers. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of our Getting Started video guide.